Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y equals to 8 and xy equals to 48. We solve this problem for all the values of x and y, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So now we denote this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and here our equation number 1 is implies that we move the term x to the right hand side and we get y is equals to 8 minus x, and we called this is equation number 3. So here further we use this value of y into the equation number 2, and equation number 2 implies that this is xy equals to 48. We have the value of y is 8 minus x is equals to 48. And further, we multiply this value of x on both of these two terms and we get x times 8 becomes 8x, and x times x becomes x squared is equals to 48. And now here we need to write this equation into the standard form, and for this we move both of these two terms to the right hand side and we get, so we move all these values to the right hand side and we get this is minus x squared becomes plus x squared. This is plus 8x becomes minus 8x, and plus 48 is equals to 0. So after this little bit simplification, we convert our given question into the quadratic form. And you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. Here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. And now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 8, and c is equals to 48. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And we substitute all the values of a, b, and c here, and we get x is equals to minus b, the value of b is minus 8, plus minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 48, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have x is equals to, this is minus times minus becomes plus 8, plus minus square root of 8 square becomes 64, and here we have 4 times of 48 is equals to 192, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further we need to subtract both of these two values and we get 64 minus 192 is equals to minus 128, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we just focus inside the square root sign. So we break this square root sign and we write it as square root of 128 into square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Further we have 8 plus minus, we write this 128 as 64 times of 2 into, this is square root of minus 1 becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step we have 8 plus minus, we know that square root of 64 becomes 8 times of square root of 2 into iota, and we break this value and write separately on both of these two terms. So we cancel these terms and we get 2 4s are 8, and 4 plus minus, this is also 2 times 4s are 8, and we get here 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. These are the two values of x which we get here. And now in the next step we break these values and here we write the positive term. It is 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 iota, and here we write the negative term. It is 4 minus 4 times of 2 into iota. And now we copy down equation number 3 here for the values of y. So we take y is equals to 8 minus x. So here when we put this value of x and we get the value of y is equals to 8 minus x, and here our x is 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So we multiply this negative sign on each of these values and we get here 8 minus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So we obtain y is equals to 8 minus 4 becomes 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. This is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. And now in the same pattern we substitute this value of x here and we get the value of y is equals to 8 minus x. The value of x in this case is 4 minus 4 times of square root of 3 into iota. So here again we multiply this negative sign on each of these values and we get 8 minus 4 and minus minus plus 4 times of square root of 3 square root of 2 into iota. So from here we get 8 minus 4 becomes 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So this is the second value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So here finally we have there are two order pair of roots of the given equation and these two roots are the first root is 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 iota and the second value is y and that is 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So this is the first root of the given equation which we get here in this method, and the second root of the given equation is the value of x in second case is 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 iota and we get the corresponding value of y is 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 into iota. So these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here in this method. But now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x plus y equals to 8 and xy is equals to 48. So here I can just verify the one root of the given equation, and here I can just verify the first root and I can left the verification process of the second root by yourself. So kindly do the verification by yourself. Okay, so here first we verify this value and in this case we have the value of x is 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 iota and the value of y is 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 iota. And here we substitute both of these two values on both of these two equations and we check its behavior, and when we put these two values in this equation we get 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 iota plus the value of y is 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 iota, and we check that is this equals to 8 or not. This is the negative term, this is the positive term are cancelled out by each other and we get 4 plus 4 becomes 8 equals to 8. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the values of x and y satisfied our first equation. And in the same pattern we verify the second equation, and for this we put both of these two values here and we get 4 plus 4 times of square root of 2 iota into 4 minus 4 times of square root of 2 iota is equals to 48 or not. So here we use the algebraic formula and we write it as 4 square minus 4 times of square root of 2 iota and its whole square equals to 48 or not. So this 4 square becomes 16 and from here we place the square on each of these values and 4 square becomes 16 and square root of 2 square becomes 2 and iota square becomes iota square. And you know about that the value of iota square becomes minus 1, this minus and minus becomes plus, 16 times 2 becomes 32 is equals to 48, and we clearly get 48 equals to 48. This shows that both the sides are equal. It means that the above roots satisfy our given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.